Hi everyone, welcome back to our so guys, today we are cooking the most delicious food, right? So come and enjoy your Sunday. Let's get it done. I'll be seasoning with curry powder, fried rice. We are making fried rice, okay? Adding water. At this point, if you have stock water, make use of it. So I will season with salt to taste. Get that stirred together. Just look at that, looking so nice. I love the color already. So I cover this to get cooked for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, come and check what is going on. 5 minutes later, oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. 5 minutes of cooking, it was so nice. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna get this out from the heat. So guys, over here I'm making some butter, so I will be adding some dashed onions. Just stir fry the onions a little bit. So guys, let's add in beef. Okay guys, wow. So I season with curry. So adding some salt to taste. So get us stirred together. Wow. This is going to be so delicious. Yummy-licious. Enjoy-licious. And sweet-licious, yeah. So I will get that to cook. We adding tomato. Wow. This is going to be delicious. Begin to bring your plates now. Wow. This type of fried rice in Hugoya before. Have you seen it before? Like, I gotta know. So let this to cook together for 1 minute. Adding red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper, some hot pepper, that's it together. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Guys, the rice is going in at this point. Wow, let's get that stirred together. So nice. My first time trying this, I'm loving it. That is so amazing. Wow. I'm going to be adding some green onions. I have some green onions. This is delicious, guys. Oh my gosh. So delicious. The aroma is everywhere. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. What a delicious. So delicious, guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Food done. Mommy. What a delicious, like, wow. You need to test this. Wow. This food tastes so amazing. Look at that. You need to try this, guys. So simple and delicious. I love every bit of it. Wow. I love you. We sign out now. Bye-bye.